Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change country or region in App Store. If you are using any iPhone and you want to change your country or region into your App Store, so let's see how can you easily do that. The first is that you have to open up your settings, and here you have to make sure that you are connected to internet via your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. If you have any network problem, it will fixed. So now go for general, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. Once you have that, you have to open up your app store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, then select your account from here, and then you just have to wait for the next screen. You might have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Then select the country or region option from here, and here you just have to select the country or the region in which you're living or which you want to set as. In my case, for example, I'm going to select this one, so select that option, then tap on continue option from here, and here tap on agree option in the top right corner, and here you have to add your payment method if you want to add. So you just have to add these informations. So once you have that, you have to tap on this option, or if you don't want to add your credit or debit card into your Apple ID, so you have to select the none option from here. And after that, you have to add these information, say the street, city, state, and there's a phone number. You must have to enter these information. These are compulsory. So once you have entered, you have to tap on this done option, and your country or region will be successfully changed into your app store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.